spark plug wires, spark plugs, rotor, rotor cap, harmonic balancer, idler pulley, engine dampener, crank pulley, water pump, housing, tensioner, AC dryer. I know what you're thinking, is this an ad? Nope, I'm the dude that spends all the money and bought the car and doesn't know what he got himself into. But I did record this video over Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, so it's a little edited all over the place and it's all good. Just chill, relax, and enjoy the receding hairline. I just had the car towed from my house to my brother's shop. I just had it put on the lift. I just got here like 30 minutes ago. And now I'm about to take y'all through what's going on under the car. But first, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the little notification bell. Be a part of being a part, you know what I'm saying? Join us for the fun. Alright, now let's get started. So, what are we doing tomorrow? The main thing is this harmonic balancer broke in half. So I've got to come over here, remove this, and lock my flywheel so that I can get that bolt out, this 27mm bolt, and then we can pull this off. And depending on how the crank seal looks, I may or may not replace it. I have the part, I want to replace it, but I also don't want to get myself into a nightmare, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm likely going to do it. And then after that's all done, we'll verify timing, we'll make sure everything's in place. But we got to clean up a lot of these oil leaks. There's a lot of leaking oil, a lot of little spots that need to be cleaned up, a lot of grounds that need to be cleaned up. This rusted ass exhaust. I noticed some leaks here in my fuel lines, but we'll get it all fixed up. What do? We removed the radiator, we removed the condenser, we removed the fan clutch, we removed the fan clutch pulley, we removed the power steering pump pulley, we removed the crankshaft, the harmonic balancer, I think I already said that. And here we are. So now I've just cleaned up everything with brake cleaner. So I went through 6 bottles of brake cleaner. I feel kind of funny, but everything looks really clean. I don't think it's the brake cleaner doing effects. I think it's actually getting clean. But yeah, maybe 2 more bottles. Still got a couple little things that I want to clean. Got a few little sensors that I need to change here and there. Got to take out the AC dryer, but other than that, the hardest part of the job has been done. Like I said, I'm cleaning everything up with some brake cleaner right now. It's nice and clean. And yeah, man, I think I'd say 75% should be done today. And then tomorrow will probably be just like making sure everything's torqued right, making sure everything's in place, double checking everything, fluids, new AC charge. And yeah, man, I'm excited. The hardest part was getting the harmonic balancer hub off. The hub didn't want to come off. I don't know where it's at. So, oh, right here, yeah. So this little hub was stuck inside of the old harmonic balancer, and it was a pain in the ass to get out. But we finally got it out, and we cleaned it all up. And yeah, man, you couldn't even see some of this stuff before, this Mercedes, and yeah, there's still a few like little rusted parts here and there, but I mean, it is what it is, man. I'm not gonna do too much because the more I take out, the more risk of old rusted stuff. So, but yeah, man. So over the weekend, I replaced all of my parts, my radiator, my condenser, everything that you see here. It was all replaced. And yesterday, I said it's time. So we fired everything up. It started off perfectly fine, and I noticed oil everywhere. So when I turned it on, this bitch started leaking, bro. You can see it in the pulleys, but I'm pretty sure I can get to this bolt from here, move this shit out the way. I can get to the bolt, remove the fucking crank bolts, and then I can remove the balancer. I might have to remove a pulley or 2 up there, but I think that's what's going on, man. It's behind this fucking bitch right there, I think. So let me explain what happened. I more than likely over torqued the crank seal behind the harmonic balancer, causing it to either get pinched or damaged or just move, not sit flush, and cause oil to leak everywhere. This is my fault for using a defective torque wrench. My fault, more than likely. So what we've got to do is raise the car, take off the fan clutch, the belt, harmonic balancer, crank pulley, harmonic balancer, and then change the crank seal, which I'm 1000% sure that's what's going on. But yeah, man, unfortunately things happen. But other than that, the car started up fine. I verified timing, everything was good. But yeah, it's gonna be a few more days before I can get another seal here, but it is what it is. Regardless, stay tuned. She'll be running hopefully by next week, if not the following week. But yeah, successful install of everything except for the fact that everything freaking leaked oil. But I'm back. So we got our new crank seal. We're gonna put it in this weekend, and then we're gonna fire it up all over again. And this time we're actually gonna drive the car, I guarantee it. So see y'all on the next one.